Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to filter the comment with keywords. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now sometimes when we post our videos on TikTok, the comments will be with keywords. If you don't want those comments or comments popping up on your videos, then let's just go and see how to disable those comments or how to filter those comments until you approve them. For that, let's open up our TikTok app first. After you have opened our TikTok app, you can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Just go there, and after that you can see the three-line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there. After you have tapped there, about these three options have been appeared. Let's go to our settings and privacy option. Let's tap there, and after tapping that, you can see the privacy option under the account category, which will be our second option. Pretty easy to spot, I guess. Let's tap on the privacy option first, and after that you can see the comments option under the safety category, the second one in the safety category. Let's just go to the comments category first. Let's go there, just tap there, and you can see all these options over here. And under the comment filters category, you can see the filter all comments and filter spam and offensive comments, and the last one is filter keywords under the comment filters category. Since I have turned filter spam and offensive comments on, now for the purpose of this video, we will be filtering the key comments with keywords. Now to filter the comment with keywords, we just need to tap on the button which is on the right side of the filter keyword option and tap there. After it has turned green, you know that the filter for the comment with keywords is on, guys. There you guys, filtering comment with keywords on TikTok on your video is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and peace.